In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up typography using Figma plugins. If you often find setting up typography in Figma to be a time-consuming task, this guide is designed specifically for you. We'll explore a powerful method to streamline your workflow, enabling you to focus more on creative design aspects rather than repetitive adjustments to your text. To begin, navigate to the Plugins section within Figma. You'll typically find this option in the top menu bar, often accessible through the main Figma menu icon. Plugins are incredibly powerful extensions that enhance Figma's native capabilities, allowing you to automate tasks, generate content, and significantly boost your overall productivity. They are truly essential tools for optimizing any design workflow, no matter your experience level. Once you are in the Plugins menu, your next step is to locate and then select the Quick Typography plugin. If it's not immediately visible in your list of installed plugins, simply use the search bar located within the panel to quickly find it. Should you not have this particular plugin installed already, Figma will conveniently guide you through a quick and straightforward installation process. This specific plugin is designed to offer swift and comprehensive control over your text styles, saving you considerable time compared to making individual adjustments for each property. With the Quick Typography plugin now successfully open, you'll be presented with an intuitive interface specifically designed for making all your necessary typographic adjustments efficiently. Instead of manually selecting each text layer and then modifying properties like font family, font weight, size, line height, or letter spacing. In the Separate Properties panel, this powerful tool allows you to change multiple typographic properties simultaneously. You can also apply predefined styles rapidly. For instance, you could quickly update all heading elements to a specific font size and line height across your design, or perhaps revise the color scheme for all body text with just a few clicks. Take a moment to explore the various options presented within the plugin, which range from basic styling to more advanced settings like case transformation or precise text alignment. Experiment freely with the sliders and input fields to achieve your desired typographic look, all from one centralized panel. After you've meticulously fine-tuned all your typographic settings within the plugin's interface, the final action is simple. Click the Apply button. This crucial step will instantly implement all the changes you've configured to your selected text layers, or even across your entire design, depending on how the plugin is set up. You'll immediately observe your design elements updating, beautifully reflecting the new font styles and properties you've chosen. It's incredibly satisfying to see such extensive changes take effect with just a single click, showcasing the remarkable efficiency plugins bring to your design process. Always remember to carefully review your applied changes to ensure everything appears as intended across various contexts. And there you have it. By using the Quick Typography Figma plugin, you can dramatically accelerate your typography workflow. This not only saves valuable time, but also significantly helps in maintaining aesthetic consistency throughout all your designs. Incorporating powerful plugins like this into your regular design routine is an excellent strategy to boost overall productivity and consistently elevate the quality of your creative output. We hope this guide empowers you to craft beautiful, consistent, and efficient typography in all your Figma projects. Happy designing!